Hi there. I'd like to address some of the most common questions that we get on the support side regarding software licensing. Subscription versus usage-based licensing. So there are different opinions about which one to choose, but generally speaking, a good rule of thumb can be that if you're planning on using a usage-based approach, let's suppose that you've created a software that does some kind of editing of images for photographers, for example. In this case, for example, might charge your customers for a certain action, for example, per image they edit. There needs to be a strong correlation between the value that your customers get and the metric that you've chosen. So, for example, in this case, for image editing software, those operations or actions that you want to charge for, they need to create a lot of value to your customers for you to consider usage-based licensing. Another approach, or another case, for example, if you're not, for example, developing a desktop application where the end user is your customer, but instead, let's say you're developing an SDK where your customer is not the end customer, our end user, the end user is their customer, then usage-based approach could also work. Whereas if your end user is your customer, then a subscription-based model might be better suited for that use case.